Let's marinate the mutton. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder ½ teaspoon. Mix well. Marinate for 30 minutes. Dry roast on low flame. Blend the ingredients. Add oil in a cooker. Add 2 medium-sized sliced onions. Saute until onions are light brown. Add marinated mutton. Saute for a minute. Red chilli powder 1½ teaspoon. Garam Masala ½ teaspoon. Add water 200 milliliters. Pressure cook for 5 to 6 whistles or until mutton gets tender. Transfer to a wok. Cook until semi-dry on medium flame. Yogurt 5 tablespoons. Saute well on low flame. Add blended ingredients. Saute well on low flame. Add 2 green chilies. Garnish with coriander leaves. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon for notifications.